What is up? Half-baked bearded here, and no cadence, just half-baked bearded. And I got a little winnings here from a giveaway from the Greek God Project to Josh Baked Halverson. Let's whip it open. I think, and it's a complete, I want to say it's a complete kit. So I think it's the co-wash. And all right, check this out. We got a little sack. Came with its own little satchel. Got a little leak in here, but that's not bad. It's because we've got a pump top. I can imagine that would be a problem with the pump top. Smells good. I would say it kind of smells sort of cologne. For all types of facial hair, cleans and hydrates the beard. That's a nice big bottle. 8.8 ounces. All right, cool. Well, I like that though. I like the pump top. Let's see what else we got. Oh, now we got the got some beard balm here. Oh shit, everything's all slippery. Ah, hold on.
You want napkins?
Okay, I'm back. Got some paper towels. All right, so we got their Greek God Project Abomination. It's got the directions, ingredients, Olea European fruit, jojoba oil, macadamia oil, polybutene, saracen, beeswax, a whole bunch of shit, parquet cocoa butter, wax, microcrystalline wax, carnauba wax, titanium dioxide, tocopherol. Okay, well I'll have to look some of that shit up. I'm not quite sure what some of that stuff is, so I'm definitely gonna have to look it up. We got us a comb here, or comb in China, I think that means. All right. Oh shit, some pomade, because got to keep the frohawk in check. Got the pomade. Seems like pomade. Dang. Cool. Smells like pomade. Smells kind of like crew gel. I don't know. Oh, okay, let's take a look inside here. It's got some weird shit in it. I don't really know. We'll have to check it out. I like the scent, though. Doesn't really say what the scent is, but it's got a really nice, like, soft consistency. I mean, really soft, but I don't know. Like I said, I'll have to check out what that other shit is in there. I'm not really quite fucking sure. But let's see what else we got in here. Oh yeah, okay, that's a little goo. We got some goo. Seems like we got a little, I think it's a fucking, pretty cool. It's a fucking opener. It's all gooey, but I mean, whatever. Nothing, a little, bam! That's pretty cool. Little bearded dude, fucking little opener. That's pretty bitchin'. Cool. And then I think we just got the oil here. Hopefully there's no fucking surprise ingredients in here. Yeah. God, we're all co-washed up. So same thing. Cool little labels. And their number one carrier in here, which I've seen it in other shit, but it's tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, biotin oil, argan oil, vitamin E, Olea Europea, olive fruit oil, tocopherol acetate, and parfum. So, I don't know. We'll fucking see. I guess these guys are fairly new. Let's take a look at the oil. Well, it's super light color. I actually like these kind of droppers. Dang, that shit's really light. Super light. Well, it smells not bad. It's a clean. It's almost like a talc. I don't know. Maybe it's almost like a barbershop sort of scent I get, but I don't know. We'll fucking see. So cool. We got the co-wash got the comb, the pomade, the balm, and oh shit, the oil that I just almost dumped everywhere. And I think this is my favorite part, the little bottle opener here. Sweet. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna fucking check out these ingredients of some of this shit and probably get this in beard here pretty quick. And I'll be back here in a week or so and let you guys know what I think. Awesome. Have a day. Great. Have a great. Yeah. Stay baked and stay bearded. Hey guys, you know what time it is? Time to smash that fucking like button and subscribe. I promise there's more content coming soon.